So one of the things that you can utilize Claude for is for simplifying complex information. For example, if you were to go around onto this Wikipedia page, you can see that I got information related to quantum computing. So you can go ahead and copy out this URL, or you can press Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy out all the information that you have right here, and then press Ctrl V in Claude. And over here, you can go ahead and say, simplify this information so that an 8th grader can understand it. So you can go ahead and say something like this, and then what it will do is it'll go ahead and analyze out all the information it has, and then we'll simply go ahead and tell it so that an 8th grader can understand it. So you can see it says something like a quantum computer is a real or theoretical computer that exploits quantum phenomena. But here, if you were to see it, what even is a quantum computer? A regular computer uses bits, tiny switches. A quantum computer uses qubits. So you can see that it is much more simpler. You can even go ahead and make it more simpler. Let's say, for example, make sure that now a 4th grader can understand it right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, it'll simplify out the information even more. So it says regular computers uses switches. Imagine a light switch. It's either off or on. Regular computers use billions of tiny switches like this to do everything. Play games, show videos, send messages. Quantum computers are like magic coins. Instead of regular switch, quantum computers use something called qubit. Think of it like flipping a coin. While it is spinning in the air, it's kind of both heads and tails at the same time. It only picks one when it lands, as you can see right there. So that is how it goes ahead and simplifies out the complex information as needed right here, just like this. So hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.